Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this episode, we're moving over to the passenger side floor replacement. This side is just as rusty as the other, if not a little bit worse. It has a couple of patch panels already, and it's very, very rusty in the spots we're replacing. But from what I'm seeing, it looks like the metal around what we're replacing is a little less rusty than the driver's side was. For example, there's the frame piece that comes up under here. It doesn't look like it's going to need a replacement piece like the driver's side did. From some lessons learned, I'm actually going to start with this toe board here. I really think the reason this side's not as rusty is because it doesn't have the factory torque box underneath this here that just holds water. So we're going to get to this. Hopefully it's a little bit smoother than the other side, and we can just get through it and move on to more fun things, get through this rust repair. Anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done. All right, got a lot of progress done this week. Got the toe board and this floor support subframe piece all removed and new ones installed. There's still some welding left to be done up here on this, but it is in there and that is fantastic. Good progress this week. I saved these little pieces here. They're all like seam sealer or rubberized stuff, and there's some silicone caulk in there. I found this section right here, the rust, it was just a hole, and somebody had filled it with all that stuff. So that was awesome. But yeah, this is coming along great. Some of my welds are looking a little bit better. I'm happier with how side's going versus the other side. Definitely faster, and just coming along. So hopefully the rest of this floor install goes smooth, and can keep making progress on this car. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.